My name is Melina East. I'm an account manager with imageOne, and I'm going to share with you some questions that you should be asking yourself about your print environment. It's extremely common for me to come across organizations who aren't aware of what their true print cost is today. Partnering with a managed print provider will help create visibility behind that cost. They'll help you analyze some of that data, both the hard and the soft costs, to hopefully bring you true visibility on what you're spending on print today. I encourage our customers to look into their print environments very regularly. It's not uncommon for us to do monthly, quarterly, or biannually reviews. It's important to keep your printing needs top of mind when looking at things such as security, productivity, efficiency amongst your end users, or any kind of changes that you want to keep a close watch on. Another question IT professionals should be asking themselves is how many unique devices and models do they have in their fleet today? To support those devices, they're also going to have a variety of consumables. It's not uncommon for me to find a supply closet filled with toner for devices they no longer have. But also managing those devices, creating a standardization across your fleet is going to not only save your IT professionals, but also your end users some frustration as well. Not all devices are created equally. Another thing an IT professional should look at when examining their fleet is to make sure that their end users are paired with the right devices for their needs. Different devices have different operational expenses. A true managed print environment will allow you to analyze this on a regular basis to make sure that that device is fitting your end user's needs. Lastly, you should be looking at how many IT tickets come in for your team that are print related. When partnering with a managed print provider, you can cut these tickets down to 51%. This is definitely something to be considered when looking at what your true cost of print is today. When asking yourself these questions and you're uncertain of some of the answers, that's a key indicator that you should probably consider reaching out to a managed print provider like imageOne. We'll help you take a look at your print environment, give you some thoughtful recommendations, and let you know if maybe managed print is a solution your company should be looking into.